As hurricane season ramps up and water levels breach the beach and riverbanks, do you know if your home is adequately covered for damages? WNCT's Katie Harden has more on what you need to do to make sure your family and home is ready for rising waters.
High tides and constant rain have caused some areas of eastern North Carolina to flood so far this week. And with more rain in the forecast, many homeowners are wondering what's covered and what's not. So we started asking questions about insurance and called the lead man in charge of the state's policies. North Carolina Insurance Commissioner Wayne Goodman says coverage can be confusing.
Best advice I can give all of your viewers is twofold. One is to talk to a local insurance agent who knows you and knows your community and knows where your property is. And second, to contact the Department of Insurance, and we're there to help you too.
So that's what we did. Corey Lewis is an agent for Sound Choice Insurance in Carteret County. He says one important aspect of flood insurance that is overlooked is what the policy covers.
You probably have building coverage. You just really need to take a second look and see if you have contents coverage, because if you do not have contents coverage and you have some personal contents that are damaged due to flood, it's not going to be covered through the building coverage.
Lewis says people looking to buy property on the coast or build new homes there may have to pay more because of new laws in North Carolina.
They're having to go to the updated flood maps and pay the newer rates. So a lot of those people are seeing, a big increase in flood insurance premiums due to the grandfather being taken away.
The flood insurance program operated by FEMA is federally mandated, but Commissioner Goodman says North Carolina is still willing to go to bat for those in the Tar Heel state.
Even though it's a federal program, I was able to call the lead person over the flood insurance program and some of the top administrators for FEMA to get the deadlines extended twice.
We'll have more details on what you should look out for to make sure you're covered on our website at WNCT.com. In Beaufort, Katie Harden, 9 on your side.
Agents also explain that your decks and docks are often not covered by your policy. So if they're damaged or destroyed from floodwaters, wind, or hail, you could have to pay out of pocket. Now, there is coverage for the structures, but agents say most people opt not to purchase the coverage because they feel the cost outweighs the benefits.